Before you begin, I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you will not miss any of our entertaining videos.
Hello? Claudia fan, I don't come. Where you dey? It's supposed to show. Okay, don't reach gate now. Oh yeah, come inside. Run, show. Mo we run knock there, that stuff now. You know that level as it go be now. No wahala.
Baba fan now. Hey, what did they solve now? How you area now? Thank God. That was it don't show. When you come here, just come outside now.
You know, say information there now.
Information.
You need to let them know you know.
You know
About the level of the level.
we knock there, the info now.
No time.
Before we go there. Before we see.
Yes, so when I don't come back again, this is Ozone Show. We don't learn the latest show where they bring on the latest updates. You know, say if you're not informed, you can be deformed. You know, this is Water Live with FC.
KLD.
We don't come back again.
Show me your 32 teeth, not be for madman or for Aigberu. You know
What it means, Agberu teeth no complete.
my brother, even madman teeth complete.
What it means, MC Oluomo teeth no complete.
I don't understand.
I don't talk your work. I just greet my boss.
I don't greet I say Olomo. Oh yeah.
Twile, Befu.
Allah.
So much man. Allah, Joe. You know, so get to town of Agberu for Lagos. Alaye with boy. Alaye the jog like this. With Bele.
He get one in the work like this.
Boy, get the one with them plug and Paco.
Paco.
One got there like this. But not with that one they go. Anyway, our viewers don't come back again. This is Ozone Show.
Yeah.
If we don't make you laugh, now wait till we get nothing.
I don't understand.
That's why we did here to
Really
make one
give you
laugh. Okay, they don't hear within the sub of recent. Hush Puppy, my tiger.
Hush Puppy.
The
Popo.
the pop king.
Yeah. The
No laugh. Nobody should ask me for money. You see this place. Now problem full am. Problem full my body, oh, problem full my body. I get my problem, I no come meet you. Make nobody ask me for money. I broke, gone. I no get in advance. I no get. I repeat, I no get. No matter who you are to me, no ask me for money. I broke. I'm open to receiving money. If you have help that you want to do.
pump money.
They pump money. They
Pump
pump
money.
fraud papa.
Pump anywhere, both left,
Le
right,
pad.
side, goat.
Oh, this guy they pump money.
Yeah, the guy
I just say FBI don't hold the guy. But the matter no be say FBI don't just hold am.
Okay.
This should be say EFCC.
Better wait.
Where Naija get.
Better wait. Wait concern goat and lion.
I don't know.
Now,
This
see, this is the best.
I never learn. EFCC they follow FBI drag.
Say wait.
Say me Hush Puppy come back to Naija. Say na then get Hush Puppy. Hush Puppy na our citizen.
Are you sure?
Yes. Okay. Shey you understand? Say them now want take over the case. Shey you understand? But the thing be say na FBI get this job. Now then hold this guy for trouser.
You hold am for job. But where the guy commit the crime? Say na for Nigeria, be na for abroad.
Na abroad for Dubai now where he in base.
So wetin come concern EFCC?
Exactly.
I don't know. And even as they tell the year say the guy be he don't roll with some top Nigerians. Senator Gino Malaye, January 7 for his birthday. Daddy Freeze. The guy don't meet a lot of people. You understand? So you don't even share those pictures. So yeah, my question be say as a holder now, so they go follow the whole those people. We don't meet one.
So now you don't see where lion catch meat, carry and go give tiger say chop.
You know possible now.
So now FBI get the job. FCC come on your hand.
Make them do the job, abi.
Make them do the job.
What me I feel, now what me I feel, but as the matter don't be now, you don't dey pass my power. But we just say more bring come on and domo say now within the sub be this. But the truth be said they don't hold Hush Puppy.
For
Na
job.
FBI hold am.
FBI.
But the EFCC now they try do like say they want sign up.
Make una go one side first.
I know say
Go one
EFCC.
side.
So they gonna talk. They say they talk say they know their way when we come back the first time. But now as we don't come back now,
They want settle
they
matter.
get interest for the work. To me say money, something go come aside.
will judge you.
Sure you understand?
You don't leave matter for Matthias.
I beg, more just leave am, but more match break for there. Right now, more we go back. You know, say if they hear wetin dey sup for Edo State now. No more that football match stuff. Oh, you don't play first leg. Where they screen, skip come outside.
You don't understand?
Obaseki now. Now, that way screen now come outside. The organ of the screening. I just say they dance Kolobi. Inside follow the dad we body so the matter be say o come hear say Obaseki don go greet one of the Jagaba.
You want to go?
One Jagaba.
For that the other week.
Na week go greet and say bros. Abeg no put me to shame. If I cross come this corner, I go be.
Reason with me.
If I don't get today, I go get am tomorrow. So now wetin we hear, no be say don the cambo, but e be like say he wan cross.
You know say they say where one door close,
another door open.
So at this one close,
another door wey open, e open fully.
Over.
My brother.
I would love to enter that door.
That door, abi?
That open.
I don't follow the door already.
I don't know about exit, but what we did see from your media, electronic print, is that he visited a number of PDP governors, and we read from your electronic print that those consultations may have to do with his plans and so on. But we are not here to speculate. Our rules, our party is not a party of big men. It is governed by rules. Both the small and the big are subjected to that rule. I'm sure you will agree that our president led by example when we conducted direct primaries in the last presidential election, and we still went to the Eagle Square for affirmation. So if the president did not have the first right of refusal because our constitution did not provide for it, we cannot, under any circumstances, now bend the rules when it comes to some people and then change the rules when it comes to others.
The Governors Forum is now a toothless bulldog. They can only bark, but they cannot bite. Why? From day one, since 2015, since APC took over governance, and as the leadership of Governors Forum, everything died. And I told them, what you have started, by the time they will capture all of you, and would they have not captured them, they are not like beggars forum. Who is this person who is saying that a sitting governor, a man who attended Nigerian Premier University, has a defective certificate? Who is this person? A man who does not have certificate, he is saying that my own is defective. At least me I have is defective. You don't have. Yes, he came to see me yesterday. Of course, we are South governors. We have a right to meet and discuss issues. It's not on denial. Why won't you talk politics? Politics is part of what we talk to. I know you want to ask me, is he coming to PDP?
That's how the matter just be. This was on show, my people. When I don't know guitars, just don't get it twisted. They follow back to back. Just so they give on the latest update. As they take the sub, now so they drop up. And security, just be master of proverb. Might tell you this proverb. I go tell you say they learn work for where proverb.
I beg.
They say Peking will get club passing papa. You know if you get rack passing papa. Not true.
I don't understand. But
Peking wait and say papa I get club pass you. That Peking they not born away no get rack reaching papa.
He dey man. You know how many rack papa don't.
He don't. Oh, many plaza collect work for ya.
Worry person wey say mama no go sleep. That Peking na for outside. They go lock am for outside. This grammar na wow.
Whoever
that hit drum for the spirit to dance, you should not forget that the spirit will do the same thing. Hit the drum for him or her to dance. they come.
Master of Proverbs. Now make me the trust you. I dey feel you. We still dey come back.
We dey come.
But for now, more match breaks more. We dey come.
You like the video, and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, to share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos.